Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, I will be answering the questions, what is criminology and who is a registered criminologist? Under Republic Act 11131, criminology refers to the scientific study of crimes, criminals, and victims. It also deals with the prevention and solution of crimes. Criminology is derived from the Latin word crimen, which means crime or accusation, and the transliterated Greek word logia, which means science or study. Therefore, the term criminology literally means the study of crime. Criminology was developed in the late 18th century when various movements embodied with humanitarianism questioned the cruelty, arbitrariness, and efficiency of the criminal justice and prison systems. Criminology is a subgroup of sociology, which is the scientific study of social behavior. Just as criminology is a subgroup of sociology, criminology itself has several subgroups, including penology, which is the study of prisons and prison systems, biocriminology, which is the study of the biological basis of criminal behavior, feminist criminology, which is the study of women and crime, and criminalistics, which is the study of crime detection. Careers in criminology are plentiful and varied. The field of criminology is vast and has many different career opportunities. A person looking for a career in criminal justice will likely first seek to earn a criminology degree. The Bachelor of Science in Criminology is a 4-year degree program in the Philippines. While many BS Criminology graduates who pass the Criminologist licensure examination end up as police officers, there are many other jobs awaiting them in the field of law enforcement, such as an officer in a correctional and penal institutions, a teacher or instructor of criminology subjects in universities or colleges, an agent, advisor, or administrator, or a member of crime detection groups. The Criminologist Licensure Examination, or CLE, is one of the annual board exams conducted by the Philippine Regulatory Commission. This exam screens aspiring criminologists in the country based on the standards written in the Republic Act 11131 or the Philippine Criminology Profession Act of 2018. The exam is composed of 6 subjects, and to pass, you'll need to have a general average of at least 75% with no less than 60% in any of the subjects. Now, we will answer the question, who is a registered criminologist? Registered criminologist refers to a natural person who holds a valid certificate of registration and an updated professional identification card as criminologist issued by the Professional Regulatory Board for Criminologists and the Professional Regulation Commission. If you find the study of crime interesting, perhaps the study of criminology is a field you should pursue.